Welcome to Master of None. My name is Rodney. If you've been following my videos, you know that I took on several projects, costumes that I was commissioned to do, and some with great success, and others, well, like I said, it's called Master of None. But anyway, one of the first ones that I started was a BANE costume for David. David is back. He's probably gonna cuss. We're gonna let him do what he wanna do. But anyway, we got all of his stuff here, so we're gonna get him suited up, and we'll be right back. This dude. I'm gonna speed this up so I could I'm gonna speed this up so I could get him fully into the costume. So stand by. Okay, so found out a couple of things. Some of this stuff don't want to stay attached, like the holes to the back of his head. I think what I'm gonna do is I have foam. I'm gonna use foam instead of real tubing because of the weight. This is our first time, doing this fitting. So, things happen. So anyway, let me give you a shot of the rest of the suit. All right, so this is the full suit. His combination mask, the Luchador, and Dark Knight Rises mask that Bane wore. The vest I made for him, which is a conglomeration of his tactical vest from the movie, but also something that looks similar to the costume character. His gauntlets, I made those also. There's a video of me making the gauntlets. And then if you could turn around, Dave. Now, I've tried to make the Venom pack for him, but as you can see, that gray spot is where the the rear hose was attached, and it broke off. So I'm gonna have to try and, like I said, compensate for that with some foam. Dave wanted to do more of a cholo style, so he went with the sneakers and the very crisp jeans. He looks good in them, but I really think he looks mean. And Dave, what do you think?
I like it. I like it a lot.
Okay, well, this is a semi successful suit up. Oh, also, Dave picked up his own vest, so let me give you guys a shot of what that looks like. Stand by. All right, we're back. This is the vest that Dave got. He picked this up. He's thinking about doing the big coat version of Bane, and I cautioned him that with the foam vest that I created, it might be too bulky. So he got this one. If you turn around, he purchased it. Where did you purchase this, Dave?
Amazon.
He got this off of Amazon. I have one similar for my Blade costume. But anyway, it has mesh, so it breathes. And if you've worn a muscle suit, you know that it can get hot, even though he says he's very comfortable. Bless me. But anyway, I think he looks great. The combo of the mask and the way everything else came together, other than the tubing for the Venom, I think this was semi-successful. He's happy. I'm glad he's happy. And thanks for tuning in. I understand that, hey, we're a day away from Halloween and things happen. So if you're working on a costume and you're having little minor problems, just understand that, hey, it's just cosplay, bro.
Do you feel in charge?
Not so much right now.
Oh, this is tight.
Thanks for tuning in to Master of None, and thanks a lot, Dave.
No problem. Thank you,
Oh,
Ryan.
excuse me, Bane. Now, oops. Did I just do that and didn't even start it? See, that's the fuck I'm talking about.
Well, you just started?
That's an outtake.